Hello lovely people, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I want to share with you 6 mistakes that small YouTubers make. So if this is the first time coming across our channel, my name is Stephen, and on this channel we talk about entrepreneurship, business and money. So if that is your interest, consider subscribing and put the notification bell so that the next time we upload any video, you'll be able to receive it. So as you all know that YouTube is an avenue that we can make money. It is actually a business, a side business or a business that a lot of people are entering to this time. But I've noticed that a lot of small YouTubers make mistakes that affect their channel. So let me share with you 6 mistakes that small YouTubers should avoid so that their channel will be in good health. So let's jump right into the video. Mistake number 1 is buying expensive equipment. So when you are beginning YouTube as a new person, YouTube is not going to pay you on the content that you are creating or the videos that you are creating, because you have not gotten your watch hours, your subscribers and your views. That will help you to get your channel monetized. You have to accumulate the channel subscribers, the watch hours, because all these things are requirement. Getting your subscribers and the watch hours are requirement that will help your channels to be monetized, so that YouTube can put you into the monetization policy, which will help you to get money at every video that you upload. So when you begin, there is no need for you to go and buy expensive items, expensive equipment like expensive cameras, expensive microphone, computers and so on and so forth. Spending so much on the background are going to bring to you financial challenges. Of course, if you can afford, maybe you can go ahead. But if you are starting YouTube as a small YouTuber, make sure you're not spending so much on the materials or the equipment, but focus on the content that you are creating. You can create content by just using your mobile phone. If you have a mobile phone, a smartphone, it will help you to create content, and you don't even need a computer to be able to upload your YouTube video on your YouTube channel. You can do that right in your phone. You can also use your phone to edit your videos, so you don't need to go and buy a computer. You can download some video editing applications like CapCut, Play Store, which will help you to edit your video. So you can actually create your video with your smartphone and edit the video with your smartphone and upload the video on YouTube with a smartphone, which you don't need the help of any computer. So make sure you're not spending so much on the equipment that you are buying to do your YouTube videos. So let's go into the second one. So the second point is lack of consistency. So people lack continuity, or they post a video on YouTube today and they are not going to post again until the next 6 months before they show up to post another video again. You want your audience to be waiting for you. That is not possible. Sometimes when you post a video and it is keeping longer for you to post another video, some people unsubscribe from your channel because they see that maybe you are not taking the YouTube more seriously. So they unsubscribe from your YouTube channel. YouTube requires consistency. You don't have to take so much long break. Even if you are thinking of going on a break, you can create a lot of videos down so that whilst on your break or your vacation, you can be uploading those videos little by little, so that you will not go off completely. Even if you are tired of creating content, you can create a lot of shorts, or you can post a lot of text and pictures, which will help you to know that your channel is still active. Because if you refuse to post for some time, your channel will be put into the inactive channels, of which you will not see anything that, or you will not even get any views, or you will not receive any subscribers on the channel, because your channel is inactive, and you don't want that. So make sure your channel is active by uploading continuously, consistently, and also getting views and subscribers, which will help you to get your channel monetized as soon as possible. So let's jump into the third mistake. The third mistake is buying existing YouTube channels. There are some small YouTubers over there who, instead of them to go through the process to create their own channel, get subscribers, get the watch hours and monitor their channel, they want to escape all these things and they want to buy channels from people who have already monetized their channel. You know, that is a big mistake, because you don't know the content that the person has posted on their channel. You cannot trust that channel so much, because people who are subscribed to that channel, you don't know how they laugh, you don't know the reason why they are subscribed to that channel. Maybe the channel is a football channel and you are interested in agriculture. Buying that channel is going to make the people not to like what you are posting, because that is not the aim of them subscribing to that channel. So make sure you are building your channel from the scratch. If you are buying someone's channel, you don't know the audience behind that channel, you don't know the niche of that particular channel. So if you are buying that channel and you are going to change the niche of the channel, that means that you are telling your subscribers to switch to like what what you want. Some might like the content or your niche, but some might also unsubscribe because they did not subscribe to that channel to see you. Your face is not behind that channel. Your brand is not behind that channel. And you don't want to buy a channel that will give you trouble later. So avoid buying channel from people who have already monetized their channel, and create your own genuine channel which will help you to build audience around you who will fall in love with whatever you are saying and will fall in love with your personality, which will always be glued to you and watch your videos anytime you upload a video. Because when you buy an existing channel, it is likely that whenever they see you uploading videos on that channel, they will not be willing to watch, because that is a new face which will create trouble for you. So avoid buying already monetized channel. Create a channel fresh, get your own audience to subscribe and watch for you, so that you can monetize your channel within the shortest period of time. Let's jump into the mistake number 4. Mistake number 4 that some YouTubers make is buying subscribers, views, and watch hours. You know, some people are there that they say they are selling subscribers, they are selling watch hours, they are selling views, which is not good, because they are going to use robots to give you subscribers, to give you likes, to give you watch hours. YouTube is going to identify that your subscribers are not real human beings, they are robots, and when you apply for monetization, they are not going to monetize your channel. So make sure that you are uploading content that are true, and they are not using robots. People are not using robots to subscribe to your channel. They are not using robots to give you watch hours, because you get the watch hours alright, you get the subscribers alright, but when you apply for monetization, YouTube will deny you monetization, because they can audit your channel and know that you are not using real human beings to subscribe to your channel, or those robots are not going to come back to watch your channel or the videos you post on your channel. So make sure that real human beings are behind those who are watching your channel, so that you will not have any problem with YouTube monetization policy. So let's look at the point number 5. Uploading people's videos. So the point number 5 is uploading people's video. Sometimes people think that a content is doing very well on YouTube, so let me upload that person's video and put it on my YouTube channel. It is a mistake, because YouTube has a way of generate all the scripts for each and every video. So if the script has been generated already and you go to download that same video and put it on your YouTube channel, YouTube will generate the same script for that channel and will identify that the scripts are the same, and the person who have uploaded it first is automatically the owner of that video. Therefore, that person can strike your channel with a copyright issue, and which will give you trouble all the time. So make sure as a new YouTuber, you are not downloading anybody's video and uploading on your YouTube channel. You are creating your own genuine, unique video and uploading on your channel, which will make you get genuine subscribers and genuine watch hours, which will help you to monetize your channel as soon as possible. So avoid downloading people's YouTube videos and uploading them and re-uploading them on YouTube channel, because that is a big mistake, guys. Make sure you are not doing that. If you have done that, go back and delete that video. If there's a video that you like, you can actually redo that video in your own way by saying whatever it is and adding your own words to it, so that the video will be more genuine and be your own video. Because on YouTube, a lot of videos are there. They are not new videos. They are videos that have been created and created over and over again. Content that have been created and created over and over again. So you can actually take any video from YouTube and redo that content your own style, so that you can get your own watch hours and views, so that YouTube will not have any problem with your content. So let's jump into the number 6. Ignoring copyright issues. So the 6th one is ignoring copyright issues. So we know that when you upload someone's content on YouTube, YouTube will give you copyright issues. A lot of people do not even know where the copyright issue can be found. When you go to the YouTube studio, when you have a copyright strike against your video, you'll see it written over there. And what you have to do is that you have to take an action, whether to delete the whole video or to trim a particular place of the video. If you see that when you trim a particular place in the video, it will affect the entire video, delete the entire video maybe you can edit the video and re-upload it so that that particular place that you have received the copyright will be taken out, or you add a voice over to it to make the video more original, so that you don't have any issue with YouTube monetization. Because if you have a copyright on your YouTube channel, it is going to affect your channel, and even to the extent that your channel can be banned from being active. So make sure that when you receive any copyright issue, you are taking an action against it, which will prevent you from having an inactive YouTube channel. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you are new, and don't forget to share this video as well. We love you so much. Thank you for supporting us. I will see you in our next video. Bye.